Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 3. Sum sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? First of all, you have to understand the two-digit number. Suppose we are taking a two-digit number, that is 29. 29. That means 9 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. That means it can be written as 2 into 10 plus 1 into 9. Right? That means 2 is in tens place and 9 is ones place. So the number is 2 into 10 plus 1 into 9. In the same way, we can take, and if we interchange the number, that is 92, that is equal to, suppose we interchange the number 92, it will be equal to 9 into 10, 9 into 10 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Right? Now we'll take, let us take let the digits let the digits let the digits let the digits at tens place let the digits at tens place is x and ones place tens place is x, and in ones place and in ones place ones place ones place ones place be 9 minus x. Right? Therefore we can write, therefore the original number is, therefore original number therefore original number therefore original number is equal to, in the same way like this, 29 28 plus 1 into 9, that is 10x plus 1 into 9 minus x is 10x into plus 9 minus x, that is 10x plus 9 minus x. It can be written as 10x plus 9 minus x, or it can be written as 10x minus x is 9x, 9x minus 9, 9x minus 9x plus 9, this is plus, therefore 9x plus 9, therefore it is 9x plus 9. Now if we interchange the digits, right, if we interchange, that is on interchanging the digits on interchanging the digits on interchanging on interchanging the digits on interchanging on interchanging the digits on interchanging the digits on interchanging the digits the digit at tens place the digit at tens place the digit at tens place will be will be 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, and at ones place, at ones place, ones place, ones place will be, ones place will be x, right? Therefore the new number, therefore the new number, new number after interchanging, new number after interchanging is equal to 10 into 9 minus x, 9 minus x plus x, that is 10 into 9 minus x plus x, and that the value will get 9 times 90 minus 10x, 10x plus x. We are getting 90 minus 10 plus 1, that is minus 9, 90 minus 9x, 90 minus 9x. Now according to the question, 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 new number, new number, new number is equal to original number plus 27, original number, original number plus 27, right? And the new number is this one, that is 90 minus 9x. New number is 90 minus 9x is equal to original number is this one, that is 9x plus 9, 9x plus 9, 9x plus 9 plus 27, 9x plus 9 plus 27. Now we are getting, that is 90, that is 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 976, 9x plus 36, right? If we take this value 9x, now if we get, if we transpose this one, right, that is 90, if we transpose this one, this number, on transposing we get, on transposing, that means if we transpose, this 9x to right hand side, it will be 9x plus 9x, and transpose the 36 on left hand side, that is 90 minus 36 is equal to 9x plus 9x, 9x plus 9x, right? Or 9x plus 9x is 18x. We can write 18x. 18x is equal to 90 minus 36, 4, carry 1, 3 1 4, 554, right? 18 x is equal to 54. Now dividing both sides by 18, we are getting x is equal to dividing both sides by 18, that is 54 by 18, 54 by 18, and that is equal to 3, x equal to 3, right? Therefore here you see the value of x, and the number is x. The digit at tens place is x, and that is 3. Therefore, 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 the digit, therefore the digit at tens place, at the digit at tens place is 3, and the digit at ones place, at ones place, the digits at ones place is equal to 9 minus 6, that is 9, minus 6 is 3, that is equal to 6, right? Therefore we are getting the two digit number 3, 3. The digit at tens place is 3, and the digit at ones place is 6. Therefore the number, therefore the two digit number, therefore the digit number, two digit two digit number, is equal to 36, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.